Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw on TikTok. All you have to do is go to your TikTok app. Then at the bottom, click on Profile. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Click the three lines here. Under the settings, click on Balance. Under the balance, you will see here Live Gifts. Click on Live Gifts or Gift Revenue. So, you will see here gift revenue in the bottom, withdraw. Click withdraw and log in into your PayPal account. After that, confirm withdraw. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.